going on the road. I'm gonna give you guys a vlog road. I am getting ready. Notice I'm in a long sleeve. I don't know why I'm in a long sleeve, because somebody tell me why Jamaica so cold. Like, me not exaggerate. Me a bed a while ago, and it's like me a feel say right now you come at me need to bust a Beano. Going to drop that Beano video right now.
But bro, you don't feel how you're cold, Charlie. Like snow go fall. Yeah, dog, all the pool freeze, youth. I want to tell you, Charlie, it look like snow go fall, dog. I don't know what to hold down the snow fall, no. Yeah. So, yo, I'm short your back, dog. I'm gonna put on a little more jacket. Alright.
You got me need to bust a Beano. Yeah, bed is not made because babe is in it. So I'm around here trying to find a jacket to wear on the road, because as me said, me not exaggerate what I do cold. Oh, they're cool. So well, I'm coming. Like, you know, it's cool for you. Like, I'm not say freezing cold. I'm not gonna be extra and say freezing cold, but outside is chilly. Like, good chilly. Good chilly, and I want to be comfortable, so I'm wearing the long sleeve inside blouse here and jeans pants, this jacket that I'm going to match with the Crocs that match it. Oh, the Crocs that match it. Where is it? The thing is, you know, guys, we're coming. The thing is, we're coming. The thing is, if I don't decide to pause the cleaning, they do not go see me do the same thing every single day in every vlog. These Crocs match this jacket, so then clean. I only put on clean shoes for my foot and my horse. What's a leak? Oy. The thing is, if me not decide to stop the cleaning, go up on the road, then I'm not get the other vlog. I kind of need a few things on the road. It's like almost 5 o'clock. I'm blind. I can't drive at night. I don't like to. Lick too much patrol. And night I'll catch me. Like, BRB. Make don't get ready. Alright guys, so I'm in my car now and I'm actually late. Tell me why I have the umbrella still cock up here so that looks so tacky. Oh Jesus. I'm so late and I don't want to waste time here talking to you guys in the midst of push, because I am heading on the road to give you guys content. So I don't want to waste time, man. You know, not get forgiven the content in a bright light out the door, and it's already after 5, so I'm probably reach when it dark. But guys, I've been using 2 lip gloss combination. I mean, I tell you, I love it bad. I've been using this. It's I guess Beauty Treats. I guess it's a really cheap brand. I got it in a gift on Teacher's Day, and me never like it by itself. And every time I use it, I complain. The top is missing because the top fell down in the drain downtown Toronto. I'm still carry it home, babe. So me now that she and babe, so me I throw it with her. And I'm using this chopstick skin protectant. The two of them together, so good. Me see if I can catch you now somewhere. Yeah, for sure no. Like, alright, so no. Yeah, so first I put on this. Look how much I forget when I put on. First I put on the chopstick. We don't like none of them are themselves. None of them don't like themselves. I tell two of them boring. So first I put on the chopstick. Dab my lip with it. If you don't know what dab mean, then I mean you must not be Jamaican. And if you're not Jamaican and you know what dab means to use a wallop. Wallop. Alright, and then we just coat it with this the glass. And this combination, I'm loving it. I don't want them done. If they're done, I'm gonna find a way to replace them. I love it bad. Anyways, Ocho Rios time, I'm done late. I just give it on the Vlogmas day 20. So I'm gonna see me in the same clothes from the thumbnail. And I realize I never like the little cooking video. I never like the little ton caramel and saltfish. I don't like when my videos are underviewed these days. I give it in at the 100, maybe delete them. So if it don't come out at the 100, me go and delete it. Yeah, but I never like it at all. Me can't see. Anyways, I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. So I'll catch you guys in Ocho Rios. Okay? Yeah. Guys, I'm in Ocho Rios, but there's a traffic out here. Every day I say this, I say the road there is a damn, because I don't know how would you have a busy road coming from a 2-lane and everybody are trying to up to make it in a 1 lane like out so. Then traffic I go always out so. I not do road construction at school and I know say anybody will make this a road here. Anybody will make this a road here. Anyhow, the mood that I was in kind of rough, kind of feel how you know, kind of, because remember me that telling the story time, well not the story time, me that share something about the transmission not turn over properly, right? Because from I have the car, I bought this car in 2021 April. Since then I haven't changed the oil, and my car is not active every week. So if you don't know, my husband has a car and he see you know, never see him, never see him, you know? Never see him around. Never see him, you know? Never see him around. But never see the man. The car drive. Sure. Because sometimes we can't under we in and him just feel like some look up. I ain't not gonna damn way. So, yeah, right, this time I go and you drive out from me for what? To go top over there, sir? I don't know this Bashco look. As I said, it's not turning over. So I went there and I purchased transmission oil to change the oil, but a while ago I come through for hold on, I have to figure out parking.
If you can go over there, hold on.
over the starting the parking. Alright, hold on.
Go over there now.
Thank you. I must come back over there. I have to set up myself good. God. So chaotic in this time. Why am I weighing it down like this? Not Ocho Rios. I don't like to if me got Bashco, I like park over Bashco. I like park different places where me I go. Anyways, as I said, it's a quick story here. I had to call my brother. Tell me when I come to a friend gully. I don't like how the car like it a race. Not turn over. So it's supposed to turn over if I have a hybrid car, so it's supposed to be like silent too. Majority of the time it's silent, then it, but I don't understand what God. Anyways, Bashco me going there. So he set an appointment for me to see the mechanic. I guess he's a mechanic at 12 tomorrow. So fingers crossed a good luck. I'm going to Bashco now because it's late already and I take my time and go up. Alright. So the video I'm gonna make, I'll be telling you my five most popular or 5 best places to shop for luxury items or house decor items in Ocho Rios. I don't forget that I did come up what you can do because I got distracted. So my top 5 best places to shop for luxury items in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. So the first place is Bashco. So I could go Bashco. As I said, Bashco, first stop, Bashco. So when you come, you have to go upstairs because all the house decor they are upstairs. Let's go this way. What people in here? So a lot of their things are sold out now, it seems. But they do have some nice painting. I need a painting to go in a room, but this one is too big. It's 6'5". I'm not fancy to the you know, I didn't get a new stock either because my look much smaller. Painting, this is a 2'5", but the decor is a bit old, so definitely not. But I have other nice paintings. But I'm not spending $6 right now. Nope. I needed a painting for in a room, in a bedroom. Alright, this one is 2,200. Do I like this? It has a. Do I like this for there? It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I hate it's ugly. I don't like that. I like this here. This kind of more vintage. I don't like this. They had a gold and white lamp like this. I eat my comfort. And the lamp is not there. Lamp finish. I love that one. They have these white ones, but it's not giving. It's not giving. It's not giving. This is so much at all. I'm not gonna buy it. If you're in color here, you always interrupt my decoration anytime I get towards changing out colors. So this is a no-no. We're going to see where the black what shade come with the black one. I'm figuring it's this black shade. Let's see. This one. Or this one. Let's see. Alright guys, so went to Bashco with the expectation of getting a particle lamp, but it's like when I remember say Christmas now and people are really buy a lot. If you're a taxi boy, it's on up. People are buy a lot, so I need to bear in mind that something that I might see today might not be there tomorrow, because everybody I buy and everybody like nice things these days. So I went to the expectation of getting a particle lamp and it's not there. They have the black and gold, but honey, I don't want the black and the gold. I wanted the white and the gold. Then turn the whole street in Ocho Rios. We want to go for watch her. She run out on the road and then she tap a chat in the road. So I was gonna get another lamp, but that lamp not given. So we come as far as to come down on the cashier to cash out the lamp. Let me see the man a try lamp. I just have picture it for how far I was. It was so small. I just put it back. But I want it. It was 4,200. I don't want it. It's not the price, because I don't know. I don't have a problem with spending my money. I work. I don't have a problem with spending it. Sorry. I went to Jamaica. Through then I broke in having a lot of pedestrian crossing. People just walk out on the road. Yeah, bad habit of people. Bad habit of people. Bad habit of people. Come over the phone because you know, when we reach up at the store, my second stop, my second favorite place to stop to buy luxury stuff in Ochi, Essie. I'm gonna show you where it is. Somebody asked me which part today and whatever, I'm gonna show you. Alright? Alright, so see the store here. May I walk through the hot tub park here. So Singer is right there. So it's right beside Singer. Alright. It's right out here across from over the shop. A lot of stuff up here. A lot of nice stuff.
The silver lamp by front, you want to ring up, why then?
Lamp of different style and decor. Okay, they sell a lot of nice stuff because this mirror is so nice, but the price? Yeah. Yeah, girl. Let me know if you see anything that you like. They got a lot of stuff. A lot. They have painting of all different styles. I don't think they're expensive. The reasonable, just you have to see what you want. I saw this and I'm looking at this. 4 or 5. I'm thinking about the price. But something I definitely replace. Or I have the clock on something, when I put it there instead of the clock and the little something me have funny. I feel like the paint would have kind of been more, you know, of a vibe. How do you guys like this painting for the room? I think I'm gonna put this in the room. I'm gonna add this to the bathroom. I like this. This is pretty. They have 2 of them. So let me try buy 2. I'm not always put the 2 of them. Pretty though. Guys, we never planned to stay so like that the place. That was the second stop. Spent 17,000 in there. Let me tell you, fitness for the place for me, honestly. Yeah. However, I am going to do what me I wonder. I'm gonna take me on the more stop. There are a few more places to do it in Ocho Rios, but because of the hours and the night, we might have to continue this in another video. But this place, one of my top end place to come. Yeah, Essie. Alright. Me talk to this video our next stop. If not, it's home and we continue this in another video. Not one of the favorites for here. Hold on, I'm gonna get the parking lot first. Alright, he might come out. Top pink, not one of the favorites, but it can work. And I come out. And I come in, did I come out? Alright, let me just go first. I think I come in, did I come out? This is not a good place to park. Hold on. I was saying that top pink is not one of the, you know, but it can be in the category too as well, because when I can't get certain things, I'll come up here. Because they do have a few stuff in terms of plants, and so you get nice plants in here. I just bought a little shot something for $1,700, and this have a $1,600. Only $100 more that put on it and get this tall one. Disappointed bad. God knows. Very disappointed. I'm so mad. I like this. I want to forget this. I like that. See that me have too much flowers though. I need some pampas. Much for this. $3,000. I can't believe these are so tall. I'm gonna get the other one for this, and it's short and smaller. If you want to get a fake fireplace, you could definitely go for this. This is so nice. Fake fireplace is $4,000. I like it. Looks so good. Feel like I'm gonna buy. Make me feel like I'm afraid. Where's some money though? I believe. Alright guys, you see me left. See me left the lights in the car. So I've been a while into dark, but me look dark actually. But I got home. Okay, so I left the lights in the car, but I am home, and I didn't get to make it to some of the other stops. So some of my favorite stops that I didn't get to make it to. Didn't make it to Fontana, and I didn't make it to Quartz, and I didn't make it to Rapid. So my 5 favorite places would have been Bashco, SC, Fontana, Quartz, and Rapid. I mean, so much vlogs. If you have been a subscriber for a long time, you guys would have seen me going to Fontana all the time and Rapid a lot too. So yeah, but it feels so good. My room is so white and so pretty. See, closet white. Can't complain about closet no more. So white and so pretty. I'm gonna show you some stuff that I got. Why am I like the light in the car? I'm so obsessed with the light. Me not having the light, me not like how you look. Or me look no, but yeah. Let me show you some stuff again. Bear with me, as I said, I left the light in the car. So I got one more of this. Look dark. I'm trying. Got one more of that. I got this. It was $6,500. You heard me. It was $6,500. It comes something like this. I'm gonna put this out in the living room. So this is it. They had the small one. I do want the small one. The small one need a buzzer tall. And I got this small thing, small flowers for $480. There's a small one to the big one for $80, and this one for $1,350. I want to show you what else me get. Hold on. Wish I had the lights. Poor quality over here. Top pink, I got this, the black set, because I really need like to change what I have. I got a black rug for the bathroom. I can't wait till everything's finished. Like, it's slowly coming together. I'm obsessed already, but we can't wait because run at the hallway and so not do it on the bathroom. And I got this. As you can see, the colors from this They go hand in hand. They're pretty. This was $2,095. Not bad at all. Oh, my light there. So I'm going to show you what I get again. I got this. SC with this from SC, and this from SC, this from Top Pink, this from Top Pink. And the black rug from Top Pink. I'm gonna get some other stuff from SC. Let me show you. So the other thing I got from SC is this blanket, this mustard and white blanket. I also got this painting from SC. Stay tuned for the tour. And this painting, now don't hear me say, should I get two? Should I really get two? I only got one. So me I got hope. Fingers crossed. I be a fingers crossed. Me I use somebody and hope. Say, I go back and I get another one. If I get another one, I just put it right up there. Nice. You're pretty. Oh, I should have better told him I don't carry 800 laugh for one. But guys, this is where I'm going to end the video. See you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Vlogmas day 21. We're day 21. But as I said, remember I'm telling you I'll finish the month. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in day 22.